Hello everybody. Happy World Environment Day to all. Today is the 5th June and 5th June is celebrated as World Environment Day. And the main theme of this World Environment Day is restoring ecosystem and raising awareness. Friends, myself Dr. Rajni Srivastava, working as Assistant Professor in Environmental Science Department, South Campus, BHU. So let us protect our environment to make our planet a happier place to live for generations to come. Let us celebrate the occasion of World Environment Day by working together to save our planet from everything that harms that. This year, the theme of World Environment Day exactly is the reimagine, recreate, and restore. As we know, ecosystem supports all life on the earth. The healthier our ecosystem, the healthier the planet and the people residing on this planet. The UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration aims to prevent, halt, and reverse the degradation of ecosystem on every continent and in every occasion. In this occasion, on World Environment Day, Executive Director of UNEP, that is Anger Anderson, tell about World Environment Day. And reviving millions of hectares of terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem, we will profoundly improve human well-being and accelerate progress toward the Sustainable Development Goals. And she is so pleased that Pakistan, as the global host of World Environment Day this year, will lead the global charge to restore ecosystem on which will all depend. World Environment Day theme, this World Environment theme is to restore the ecosystem. So what is ecosystem? Ecosystem is basically a community of plants and animals interacting with each other in a given area and also with their non-living environment. And this non-living environment include weather, earth, sun, soil, climate and atmosphere. So the next question come in our mind. So why there is need of ecosystem restoration, or what is basically the ecosystem restoration? Ecosystem restoration means preventing, halting and reversing this damage to go from exploiting nature to healing it. Ecosystem restoration means assisting in the recovery of the ecosystem that have been degraded or destroyed, as well as conserving the ecosystem that are still intact. All kinds of ecosystems can be restored, like we can restore the forest, we can restore agroecosystem, our cities, wetlands and oceans. So restoration initiatives can be launched by almost everyone, from government and development agencies to businessmen, communities and individuals. Let us talk about few lines of history about World Environment Day. The first World Environment Day was held in 1974 with the theme Only One Earth, and it has since been a platform for raising awareness on environmental issues like marine pollution, human overpopulation, global warming, sustainable consumption, and wildlife crime. World Environment Day was established in 1972 by the United Nations and Stockholm Conference on the Human Environment, which has resulted from discussion on the integration of human interaction and the environment. And the idea of hosting the day, this day that is the World Environment Day, in a different country everywhere was put forth in 1987. So basically the World Environment Day started on 1974, but hosting of this day in different country in different year was started in 1987, and this year the host is according to the WED site, that is the World Environment site. Every 3 seconds the world loses enough forest to cover a football pitch. Means approximately a length of football pitch we are losing our forest cover, and over the last century humans have destroyed half of the wetlands. As much as 50% of coral reefs have already been lost. Coral reefs are very much important for controlling the climate change, or it acts as a carbon sequester material, and up to 90% of the coral reef could be lost by 2050. and even if global warming is limited to an increase of 1.5 degree Celsius. So the theme means to prevent, halt and reverse this damage to go from exploiting nature to healing it. The World Environment Day will click off the global mission to revive these billions to hectares, and the theme focuses that healthy ecosystem can enhance people's livelihood, counteract climate change and stop the collapse of biodiversity. This is the chart where you can see the different year themes of World Environment Day. In 1974, the World Environment Day, hosted by the city United States, Spokane, and the theme was Only One Earth. And after that, human settlement was the theme, and the host city was Bangladesh, and the host place was Dhaka. Same way, there are in different year the different with the different theme, the host World Environment Day hosted by different country. You can see here after the 1987, after 1985, when last it was hosted by Bangladesh. 1985 it was hosted by Pakistan, and 86 in Canada, 87 in Kenya, then Thailand, Belgium, and many other countries. In 2001, it was hosted by Cuba, and in 2018, you can see here the World Environment Day was hosted by India. Place was New Delhi, and the theme was Beat Plastic Pollution. And this year, the theme is Ecosystem Restoration, and the host country is Pakistan. So this is our moment when we can't turn back time, because we have already degraded much of our ecosystems. But we can grow trees, green our cities, rewild our garden, change our diets and clean up rivers and coast. We are the generation that can make peace with nature. So let's get active, not anxious. Let's be bold, not timid. Join Generation Restoration. There is a anthem denoted for World Environment Day, and this year on World Environment Day, the anthem was written by poet K and sung to celebrate World Environment Day.
Ladies and gentlemen,
so this is
hello
the
everyone.
song
Welcome to our
that
planet.
is devoted on this World Environment Day. Kindly go through this full, and if you really like, kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Rajni Classes.
Ladies and gentlemen, hello everyone.